What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another video, and wow, what a gorgeous day to fish. Today is currently, what day is it today? I think it's Friday, and right now it's about like 70 something degrees. Sun is out for the entire day. It's supposed to be very warm, so I couldn't be more excited for that. But here's the plan for today. So I'm doing my intro here because pretty soon I'm gonna leave here in the good old Jeep, and we're gonna drive all the way, maybe like, I don't know, 27-30 minutes or something like that. Meet up with my friend Richie. Richie's grandma like lives on a golf course or something like that, so he has access to the golf course. It's not like we're sneaking in. We're not doing anything like that. We have access to the golf course from him. He's fished it multiple times this year, maybe like 2 or 3, and every time he goes, he says he hasn't caught like a really big one, like big thickums, like a big thickums we're looking for, but he says he catches a lot of numbers in a short amount of time, like an hour or two. And now I'm just waiting for him to text me, and then I'm gonna leave. But I did want to do my intro real quick because I had to move a couple cars, get everything in the car and ready to go. Thank you guys so much for all the recent love and support. I think this morning, we actually just hit 9,500 subscribers. Now, when I post this, I'm not sure where we're gonna be at, but thank you guys so much for all the love and support recently. We've been growing like crazy. I think the past 30 days, we've gained over 1,000 subscribers. That's crazy, guys. We're so close to 10K. We're sniffing it. We're sniffing 10K. We're so close. If you guys are new here, hit that subscribe button down below. It's right down there in red, and it's gonna be a hell of a day, guys. I'm really looking forward to it. I'm gonna wait for Richie to text me, and then I will get on the road. But in the meantime, I'll head back inside, eat my sandwich, and it's gonna be a hell of a video, guys. So stay tuned, stay with it. It's gonna be a great day. Thanks for tuning in. Let's do it. There's one. We're on. Richie, I'm on, boy. We're on something. A little swim jig. Bring her in, bring her in. Get her up here, let's go. Richie. Look, he choked that. I think Richie might just call. We might have doubled up. Richie, come over here. I got one too, we just doubled up. Let's go. Woo! All right, well, this guy inhaled. Look at this guy inhaled. This guy inhaled the swim jig, dude. I gotta get a picture of this. Look at this.
You hit him?
Bam, baby. Let's get a little picture. Where'd you get that on the white chatter? Spinner. All right, I just switched to the jig. He's still on the spinner. Just caught one. I just caught one. So hopefully it's picking up here. Fish one of hopefully many. Let's go. All right, is GoPro rolling? Okay, I just turned the GoPro off because I next cast caught another one. Literally, I casted it, turned the GoPro off, and because I do that for editing purposes, and this guy just inhaled it while I was trying to turn it back on. So we missed the hooks on that one, but it was the next cast, and we'll pull out the big camera for this one so I can show you guys what's going on out here. But this one also inhaled the swim jig. Look at this, he inhaled it with the Catchco 10,000 fish saw craw on the back of it. So this right here is the second fish of the day for me, although I did not get it on the GoPro because I turned it off, but he inhaled it. He wanted the jig. I'll show you guys what I was tossing here. Like I said, we got the swim jig we used in the last video, I think, no, 2 videos ago, with the 10,000 fish saw craw on the back. This thing's money, guys. I'm telling you to pick some up. I'll leave a link for it down below. I love this bait. It's my go-to craw, especially with the swim jig. And right down his gullet there, I was not filming. So we're gonna bring her on down here. We're gonna get a quick toss back, and now I'm not gonna turn off my GoPro. And watch me not catch one, but there she goes. There's one, all the way out in the middle. Let's try to keep this one on, huh? Don't think he's that big, or he's just swimming towards me, or a mixture of both. But stay down. Stay down. They got a lot of fight to him in here. That's awesome. It's not a bad fish. Let's get her up here. Let's go, baby. Fish number 3 for me. That ain't too bad, huh? Little swim jig right in the top of the mouth. Cannot complain. Get a quick picture of this guy, and then we'll put her back. So here is fish number 3 for me. Little swim jig with the saw craw on the back, right in the top of the mouth, actually. This one wasn't going anywhere. And it's probably the biggest of the day. It's not big, but solid 2-pounder. I would say this is a 2-pounder. Wow, that was in him pretty good, but not a bad fish. It's fun out here. Great sun's out. Getting some fish on the swim jig. Just lost one like a minute before this one, and I actually thought I wasn't even recording just now, so I was though. But not a bad fish. Fishing a golf course pond. This is sick. Hoping for some bigger ones. The one I just lost was a tad bigger than this, but there's got to be some big ones in here. I think. I don't know. There could just be dings in here. I'm not sure. But nonetheless, not a bad fish. We're going to put her back. We'll let this one swim off in the muck. Actually, no, that's really mucky. Never mind. I thought it was going to be cooler, but never mind. Are we allowed to fish it? There's one. Are we allowed to go over there and fish that? Get in, boy. Oh, that's a nice one, dude. That's a nice one. Oh, baby. Woo! That's a good one. That's probably like a 3, maybe. I got a scale. We'll get a weight. Look at that. Choke the jig. You kidding me?
That's nice.
Think he wanted that freaking jig? This right here is the fish, the biggest one of the day. Probably a bigger one in this pond, I would think. We're gonna give it some water, and then we're gonna get a weight on her. 3 pounds, 5 ounces. That's kind of what I thought it'd be. Not a bad fish right there. Golf course pond, baby. Let's go. We'll put her back. Once again on the swim jig. Thing is money. Didn't think we would stick a big in today, but it's not a bad fish, man. That's respectable right there. All right, Bertha. Put you back. She swims right off. Bam, baby. Woo! Talking about, boys. Some guy came by, said there's some bigger fish in the other pond. So I think we're gonna pack it up here soon and go there, but late into that one. That's a beautiful fish. 3 pounds, 5 ounces. Let's go. We're smacking them today. Swim jigs, the move for me. Richie's been catching them on Senkos, spinnerbaits, kind of everything. So everything is biting sort of day. So wow, let's catch some more fish. Let's go. Oh no. I just dropped all my craws. All I'm doing with these craws, they're a little long for my jig. Like, that's a good size of Texas rig, but I want to get it down, just down to here. So you can bite it, you can use scissors. I'm gonna crop off, or I'm just gonna chop off that much. Now it's only this big. Now when I grab my jig and put it on, it's gonna look like this. Hold on. I'm gonna put my jig on it. It's gonna look like this. Absolutely money. Let's go catch this big one right here. There's one. There he is. Smoked the jig. Just twitching it a little bit and he smoked it. Get up here, son. That is fish number 4, baby. Not a big one whatsoever, but nonetheless, another fish. Swim jig right in the top of his mouth. We're getting a little picture for the gram here. Feel free to follow me if you want. Again, on the saw craw, thing is absolutely money. We'll get a quick picture and we're gonna put her back. This thing's very durable too. It's lasted all these fish. Not even breaking, right in the top of the mouth. It's a nice little toss back. Gotta be respectful to the fish always. Thanks for playing, buddy. We will see you later. Time to catch his brother. There's one. There's one. Oh! Doing a lot of jumping. Got a lot of weeds with him too. Get in, boy. Come up here, boy. Woo! Fish number 69, baby. Let's go. Let's go. Thing, guys, same thing. Just swimming it slow, hopping off the bottom, this weedy bottom. It's kicking up. I'm kicking up a lot of dust. Wind's pushing into this bank, so we're fishing this one as well. And swim jig produces. That's another bass. That's like bass, I don't know, number 6 or 7 today. We're doing really well out here today. Nothing big, but we already got one big one today. We're gonna move to a different pond, try to get some more big ones. Not a bad fish though. See you, little man. There she goes. Boom. Let's go. Let's go. What'd you put on? Okay. There's one. I got one. Let's go. Let's go, baby. Get in here, boy. That's a chunker. Nice. Another little swim jig fish right there. Fish number 1,000 today, it seems like. Spit the jig right out. Perfect. Boom. Nice. On that swim jig with the saw craw on the back. You guys know I love this setup now. Probably my favorite jig setup right now. Been catching a lot of fish for me these last couple weeks, so deadly setup. Let's get some more. There's one. Well, I don't think that's that. That's a nice one. Woo!
Yeah, dude, they're chunkers.
Yeah, these ones are definitely bigger than the last pond. I mean, it's not saying much, but the other guy, I'm just swimming the jig. There's a lot of grass out here. So I'm just taking this jig and I'm just swimming it over the grass, I think, and just swimming it straight in, not bouncing off the bottom. Hammered that, boys. That's like, I don't even know, it's like fish number 69 or something, but there she goes, baby. Let's go. Well, that's gonna end it for today, guys. Thank you so much for tuning in today's video. I had a great time with Richie today. Huge shout out to Richie for letting me come out to this golf course that his grandma lives on. Without him, we would have not gotten in, and it was super fun to get out there with him. Haven't fished with Richie before, but we've talked about it in the past because I've known him for a couple of years, and today was the first time we did, so it was really fun. I mean, I caught a decent amount of fish. He caught a lot of fish, and fish are biting everything. The wind was really bad. The wind was probably messing up the mics. I haven't looked at it yet, but I it's gonna be bad. I know it's gonna be bad, but the wind probably made the bite pick up a little bit. We were fishing the windy part of the pond. We had no choice. We had to fish outside the pond, but it was nice because Windward Bank always produces fish. I was catching all my fish on the swim jig with some rattles on it with the 10,000 fish saw craw. Guys, I will drop a link for that down below. It's my go-to craw now, and I don't throw a jig without it. So pick them out down below. What else do I gotta say? What else do I gotta say, huh? If you guys did enjoy the video, hit that big thumbs up button down below and that subscribe button, guys. Road to 10K. Now, I'm not sure where we're gonna be at when I'm posting this, but we are inching closer and closer to it. We are so close. You guys are the best. Seriously, you guys are the best supporters out there. I mean, the support has been nonstop. You guys have been commenting nonstop and been getting so much support, and I just really appreciate it. So thank you behind the screen watching this right now. Thank you so much for tuning in today's episode. Every 4 days, that's when we're uploading, guys. If you haven't noticed it, we're doing 4-day increments. We got a video every 4 days. Pretty cool. Thank you so much for watching. I will not keep you guys any longer. I will see you in the next episode. It's gonna be a banger. I hope. I don't know. But anyways, see you guys in the next one. Peace.